Alrighty folks, here we go. This is David over here at D's Garage in the city of Corolla, California. Here we have a GMC Denali HD 2018 GMC Denali. Just gonna show you guys what we did on this one. So if you are interested on getting something like this done, we will be more than happy to help you guys out. So first thing we did was the window tint. So you can see it's got our Wing Coast nano ceramic film, the best film that we carry here at D's Garage. We did 3% all around. The Wing Coast has the best heat rejection and is color stabled, and it comes with the lifetime warranty. The other thing we did was install the top clearance lights, cab lights, whatever you want to call them. Gives the truck a nicer, better look. So we did that. We can install the clearance lights on any type of vehicle, trucks mainly. Then the other thing we did was install the Starlight kit. We did the suede, the sand suede, to kind of match the original handles, center piece here, that there, and these here, and this here. So we only did the top. You know, you don't want to switch everything out because then you're gonna have to change all these out. So this looks clean. The truck is a two-tone anyways, as you can see. It's got like a light brown here and a darker brown there. Same concept, light brown and a darker brown. This is the 850 Starlight kit that we did. Came out really good. It's got different color features. Let me show you guys here. It comes with this remote. Let me see if we can get it in the dark. Comes with this little remote here. You go pink if you like, blue, green, or just white. Looks beautiful. Especially with that nice tint. Amazing. Alrighty guys, so that's what we did on this truck here. If you guys are interested in any of those services, we've been in the business for over 20 years. Anything to do with window tinting. We do a little bit of auto glass, parts replacement, audio installation, pretty much everything that you guys see on this YouTube channel. We are professionals, plenty of experience, We work by appointment only. You guys are more than welcome to stop by the shop anytime during the week. Monday through Friday is best that way if you would like to get a quote on any of our services, guys. We take pride in our work. We take our time. We'll make sure we do things right, at least as best as we can get it. We're not going to give you the funny runaround. If there's any issues with any of our work, we're going to take care of you. We give you a lifetime warranty on our labor. So if you ever have any issues with our installation, believe me when I say that we'll take care of it for you guys. I mean, if parts go bad, then unfortunately we don't manufacture the parts. So that's that. We are a small business, and like I said, we take pride in our work and what we do here. So if that's what you guys are looking for, some good work, give us a call. Stop by the shop. We'll be more than happy to help you guys out. With that being said, thank you guys all for watching. You guys have a nice evening.